Rainy with my dream boat project here, and today I want to update you on my progress to get started on my Sea Strike 18. So let's go in my boat cave and I'll show you what's been going on. And here we are. I've been very limited in space here, so I've been spending a lot of time organizing, getting everything off the ground here as much as I could, except for my big saws. But I've been putting up shelves in my little cave here so I could put all my things. I got shelves on the wall. There's my mast and my boom for the sailing canoe cat, I guess you could call it, outside the garage. And the wheels and all my tools. So I've been trying to get everything organized on the walls so I could have room to build the frame. This is the frame that my Sea Strike 18 will be built on. So I have mine 20 inches high. I have wheels underneath it, so including the 6-inch wheels, actually 5-inch wheels, but 6-inch in height. Frame, it's 3 feet wide. And it's about, I believe, 16.6 long. So, been having fun putting that together. Actually, that was my project for the entire day. If you look at the wheels, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are locking wheels. So I wanted to have the locking wheels. Actually, I think I might even have more than that. So I can push them from side to side. And even being this big, you can see how easy that rolls. I'm just using one hand here, moving it around, so I can push it from one side of the garage and the other, because the Sea Strike's only a little bit over 7-foot boat, but I only have 11 feet in here. Took down my bench, destroyed the whole bench, and I put this little thing up, and this actually folds up, the legs fold up, and it goes right up against the wall, and it hooks right underneath here. So I've been spending a lot of time preparing, getting everything ready, and building my frame together today. So I'm looking forward to getting the Sea Strike going. I just wanted to show everybody what I've been up to, and I hope to hear your comments and what you think. I want this to be an interactive channel because I really want to get to know a lot of you, make friends with people, and who knows, when this wonderful boat is built, maybe we can go fishing together. So I'll see you out there, and you have a great day. Bye-bye now.